In today's video, we will look at two examples of how to take a right turn. We have already discussed how to take a right turn in our previous videos. You can find it here. If you want to take a right turn, first you need to change to the right lane. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and follow their instructions. Pay attention to the road markings and the signboards. A new lane starts here, so safely change to the right lane. Here, you need to keep your car in the center of the lane. If you don't know how to do that, watch this video. Do not touch this solid line. Pay attention to the pedestrian crossing. Again, do not touch this solid line. Now, let's look at the second example. Take a right turn. Pay attention to the road markings and the signboards. You are already in the correct lane. If you are not in the correct lane, safely change to the correct lane. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Do not touch this solid line. Pay attention to the pedestrian crossing. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor.